Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create About Us page on Shopify Zone theme. So the first thing that you should do here is you have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to log into your Shopify account. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is my Shopify account. So let us try to view my website first. So let me just click on this preview icon. And as you can see, currently I don't have an about page. So we are going to create one. So just go back to Shopify. So we only have your home, catalog, and contact. So we are going to add an about page on that section. So what you're going to do here is you just have to click on the online store and you'll be able to see here the pages, right? So just simply click on the pages. So make sure that you are using the Dawn theme. So to add the theme or to add the Dawn theme, you just have to scroll down right here. You'll be able to see here now the Dawn theme. So you just have to click on the add option and then you can now start creating your new page. Now just go to the pages section, this one. Okay, that's right. And then what you're going to do here now is click on the create a new page at the top or add page. Okay, this one. Now just have to make a title. So you're going to name this one as about page, of course. Okay, and then after providing the title of this page, you just have to provide here now the content. So the content section, you can generate the page content. And of course, you can also add your own. Then after that, you can now upload an image for your about page. So to add an image, you just have to simply click on the image icon. And if you would like to insert a link, so you just have to highlight a text and then insert the link. Okay, so the same window. Now to add an image, just click on the image icon, this one. Now you can upload image from your computer or upload image from URL. I'm going to upload this image as well. So just click on open after that. And just wait for a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you just have to select the image and click on the done option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the image that you have uploaded. And then once you're done, just click on the save option at the top of your screen. Okay, that's right. Now that you already have your About Us page, so just go now to the navigation section. So this one. So when you click on the navigation section, you'll be able to see here now your About page. Okay, so let me just close this one first. Let me refresh this page and let's go to the navigation section. So this one. That's right, and you have here your main menu, so you just have to click on it. And then here you have to add a menu item. So add a new one, and then you have to label this one as About Us, and then click on the link section and go to the pages. That's right, and then select the About Us. After that, you just have to click on the save button. Okay, now to check if we have successfully added the About Us page, let us preview our website. So here, go to the online store and then click on the preview icon. And as you can see, when we clicked on the About Us section, we'd be able to see here now the content of the About Us page. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.